Okay, honey, Gitimido. I'm gonna start over. Some winter words to try out. It is snowing. Correct me if I say it incorrectly, please. Daga,
Uh-huh.
nadam Miigwetch. Zookpo. It
Yeah, you
is.
could say that.
It is
Yeah,
Zookpo.
super. Yeah,
Zookpo. Eh?
super, super. But
Okay.
sometimes I say Zoopomgat.
Zookpo mgat.
Yeah,
Winish
sometimes
Edmin. Winish Edmin
that
you.
means it is snowing. That's another. Maybe that's a slang way of saying it. I don't know. But Zoopomgat, I used to say that too, eh?
Oh, nahaw.
Yeah,
Zookpo.
Zoopomgat.
Zookpo mgot.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is Mkomnaanwan. Mkomnaanwan. It is hailing.
Oh, okay. I never learned that one, but I'll just say okay. Sounds okay.
Okay, nahaw. Mkomnaanwan.
Yeah.
To say snow, you would say goon, eh?
Yeah, or kum, kum is like a wet snow.
Cone.
Kum,
Oh, okay.
kum na.
Cone. Oh, okay. It is called Ksinaa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crusted snow.
Gat. Sinamgat.
Sinamgat, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say
Naabdin.
that way too.
Oh, and again?
You could say that way too. You
Oh,
could say it that way. Sinamgat. But the way you said it is right also.
how
Sina.
Miigwetch. Crusted snow. Naabdin.
Yes. I like that word.
Oh, kabishkendan na. Kidwinan?
That word. What was it again?
Naabdin.
Yeah, Naabdin. Yeah.
There is snow. Goonkaa.
Yeah.
It is icy. Mkomiikaa. Mkomiikaa.
Zhooshkwaa. I would say Zhooshkwaa.
Zhooshkwaa. That's for slippery, no? Zhooshkwaa
Yeah,
wegumik.
slippery. Yeah, Zhooshkwaa is slippery.
Oh.
And what did you do? What did you want there?
Mkomiikaa. Mkomiikaa.
What's that?
It is icy. Mkomiikaa.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Nasty weather. Niiskaadat. Niiskaadat.
Yes, Niiskaadat.
Niiskaadat. Aha, Miigwetch.
Yeah,
It is winter.
Niiskaadat.
Bboon.
Yeah, Niiskaadat.
Bboon.
Bboon. I always say ka, eh? Bboon.
No.
Yeah, Bboon, but Bboon is a good way too, just like that.
Yeah.
Don't forget about the ka. Bboon.
Noodin. It is windy. Noodin.
Yeah.
Okay. Noodin. Big
Yeah,
wind, eh?
big wind.
Very windy. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Zhooshkwaa.
Yeah. Slippery.
Eh? What?
Stormy.
Eh? Naagda-wendizan
This is cloudy, cast overhead.
Miigwetch. Gitimido. Miigwetch. Naagda-wendizan. Thank you for helping me with
Yeah.
this. Aho.